What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Bright and early today. We're going to go over our friend Cardano. Currently, we're sitting at 179. We're sitting at a market cap of 59.11 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.61 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, as well as $25 in their native coin Crow, just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 4 hour for Cardano. So it looks like we may create a little bit of a double bottom here. You can see we came down, we created a bottom, and we've created a second bottom. We've hit 3 of our buy zones. So currently, if you're dollar cost averaging with our buy zones here, your average price is sitting right around 191. So if we create that double bottom, we break out. I'll give you your breakout target here from the bottom of your pattern up to the top of the neckline, and would bring you right back up to about 211, which would now turn into your take profit zone. And that's a juicy little trade opportunity from 191 of about 10% for ADA. So do keep an eye on that. If you see a bounce and we break this pattern, your target is up here at 211. Now, if we jump over to the daily time frame, you can see here we came all the way up to the 1.272 and we had a bit of a steep correction all the way back down to the golden ratio. But as long as we hold the golden ratio as support, we're still looking strong for continuation. You can see here the MACD's in the floor just as we were right here, right before we had a massive breakout. We're coming back down to oversold, and we've had multiple bounces off that level. As you can see here, massive bounce. Even right here, we came down to oversold. We saw a little bit of a bounce. We'll give one more example here for ADA. You can see right here, we came down to oversold, we consolidated, and we saw a massive move to the upside. So ADA is gearing up for its next explosive move, in my opinion. Of course, all eyes on Bitcoin. We'll quickly pop over to BTC. So you can see we've created that double bottom for BTC as well. I have noticed a bit of a symmetrical triangle. Our target is down here at about 52, 53K. However, guys, there's a major bullish divergence. You can see here, we created a lower low for Bitcoin. We created a massively higher low on the RSI, which signifies to us that the bears are running out of strength. So we could definitely see a bounce back to the upside. We come up, we break this neckline of this double bottom, then we're looking good to go for a continuation. This is a pretty massive reversal pattern here for Bitcoin, and would bring you all the way up to about 63, 64K. And if this pattern were to play out, it would get us back above the EMAs on the daily. And I do think that would be the reversal in the trend that we've been waiting for here with Bitcoin. However, guys, if we continue to roll over, do target that 52, 53K level of support. So let's quickly finish off the video here with ADA. We have our bull run target based off our Elliott wave theory, which is coming in at the 2 extension, which is out at about $6.11. I'll also drop in the 2.272 at 793, and I think the 2.618 is a bit of a dream price here, which is coming in at about 10.99. Could probably move this up a little bit. Let's keep it there at 11.11. All right, guys. Now, if we were to lose the golden ratio, what you can do here is you can take your Fibonacci from your swing low up to your swing high, so it's inverted. And this is the level of support you don't want to lose. The 0.618, which is coming in, it looks like at about $1.53. So we come down and we lose this level at about $1.55 here. Then you can come all the way back down to where you started, which is down at about 99 cents, $1 for ADA. So 155 would be your major level of support. It also lines up with the 0.5 on the Fibonacci here. It really wouldn't be a strong sign, in my opinion, for us to come all the way back down to $1, but I really don't think it's likely. I think it's much more likely we either break out from this double bottom or we come down to $1.55 quickly and we see our breakout back to the upside. If we were to drop down to that level, we do have a buy zone here at 157 for ADA. So we'll see what happens over the next couple days here with Bitcoin. If we see our bounce, we break this neckline, we're looking strong for continuation. And if we continue to roll over, let's say we come up, we hit 58.5, we roll once again, that's when we can come back down to 54.9 and possibly 52.9K. But beautiful to see the bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Can signify to us that the bulls are about to take back control here. So if we do come up and break this neckline, do target 211 as your level of resistance in our take profit zone. And then your next level of resistance here is up at 238 for ADA. So that's it for this one, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, and you can sign up through the Patreon. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.